I want to thank Ketar for sending me this sample of their gloves. These are plastic disposable gloves, 200 in this package. So you're not going to run out soon. And they're folded up. So I'm just going to unfold them and get a couple of gloves off if I can. Easy to get more than two. I think I've got three. Anyway, I've got what I need. I'm making turkey burgers and I'll have my hands in the meat mix, so I'm going to use gloves. These are multi-purpose. You can use them for many other things besides cooking. You could use them to protect your manicure. If you just been to the spa or the nail salon and you want to keep your pretty manicure, well, let's see. I hope I can get this open. Yes. So there's one started. Let's see about another one. And in case I need to protect both hands. Just keep working on it until it sort of opens up. Okay. Also, these are great for cleaning messes. You got a sponge or a rag that you're cleaning something up with. Put these gloves on first. Keep your hands clean. They're leak resistant and they're transparent. And they fit loosely so that you can just peel them off when you're finished. Really easy, and throw them away. I've been chopping up meat. What I've done is I roasted vegetables and then I pulverized them almost in the food processor, and now I've mixed them into ground turkey. So that makes them really juicy and you get lots of vitamins and nutrients that you wouldn't get otherwise when you don't eat vegetables. So I'm just going to get a handful and make a little patty like that and put it in this silicone liner for my air fryer. This is just a quick way to cook a few up, or even just partially cook them and put them in the freezer. Sometimes these gloves feel like they're going to slide off, but they're easy to pull back. Okay, got 2 patties done. So this is what they look like. And I'm just going to be putting those in the air fryer and cooking them. So if you're cooking or you're cleaning or you're dyeing your hair, or some people use a paraffin wax hand treatment, these are excellent for that. Put the gloves on over the paraffin when you have to let it sit for a while. Anything like that. Protect your hands. You might like to try some of these.